Jingles, a tiny golden bell, lived in an ancient clock tower on a hill. She had the sweetest chime, bringing smiles to anyone who heard her. But Jingles longed for adventure. She often dreamed of exploring the vast valley below, filled with sparkling rivers, lush green forests, and mysterious glowing lights. One bright morning, she whispered to the wind, "Take me to a world where magic comes alive." The wind heard Jingles' wish. "Hold tight," it whispered, sweeping her off the tower. Together, they soared over the valley, past shimmering waterfalls and fields of colorful wildflowers. Jingles chimed with excitement, her melody filling the air. Suddenly, they reached a clearing where the air seemed to shimmer with golden dust. The wind carried Jingles to a giant, twisted oak tree with a hidden door at its base. "The magical valley begins here," the wind said. The door creaked open to reveal a glowing tunnel. Nervously, Jingles entered, her tiny chime echoing as the door shut behind her. Jingles emerged into a meadow where animals could talk. A friendly rabbit hopped over. "Welcome, Jingles. You've been chosen to restore harmony to our valley." Birds, deer, and fireflies gathered, their eyes full of hope. Jingles was puzzled but excited. The rabbit guided Jingles to a crystalline bridge over a magical stream. "Cross this bridge to find the heart of harmony," the rabbit said. Jingles hesitated but crossed, her chime blending with the melody of the stream. At the other side of the bridge, a misty figure appeared, a guardian with flowing robes made of clouds. "To pass, answer this. What binds all life together?" Jingles thought of the chimes that made everyone happy. "Kindness," she said. The guardian smiled and let her through. Inside a cave, Jingles found the heart of harmony, a glowing gem pulsing with soft light. But it was cracked. "Can you heal it?" asked a voice from the shadows. Jingles hummed her melody, and the gem began to glow brighter. Dark shadows tried to steal the gem. Jingles' chime fought them off. Her melody was pure and bright, pushing the shadows back. The heart of harmony healed fully and shone like the sun, filling the valley with light. The valley transformed. Trees bloomed, rivers sparkled, and laughter returned. Jingles felt the joy she always dreamed of. The animals danced around her, celebrating the return of harmony. Jingles became the valley's guardian, living in the oak tree. Her melody kept the magic alive, ensuring harmony for generations. "This is where I belong," Jingles thought.